What would you like for breakfast today, Johnny?
Muffins.
Here at Lexington Muffins, we've got the greatest new muffins for you to try. Snowman. Gargoyle muffin. Guinea pig. Stud muffin. Explosive. Elephant. Strawberry. Rat. Blueberry. Raspberry. Lemon cake. Pumpernickel. So what kind of muffin do you want, Johnny?
I think I lost my appetite.
You'll eat a muffin. You'll eat a muffin and you'll like it. See, hold on.
I am confident, but I still have my moments, baby.